So today we're going to show how to prepare serum and plasma. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're wearing gloves. We're going to go ahead and select the correct vacuum container tubes. So I'll go ahead and show you. So the first thing is we have our serum separator right here. We have a EDTA anticoagulant tube. Our purple top tube, and then we have our no additive, just plain tube. So the instructions state red top tube. This is actually the new red top tube for us. So, but this is just an additive free tube that we use. So we have our tubes ready, and then I'll show you what else I have over here. So I have my isopropyl alcohol for drawing blood. I have a pair of clippers. I'm going to clip a little spot on my patient, and then I have a 6 cc syringe, 6 cc syringe with a 22 gauge needle. And then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to move the camera over. I'm going to set this on the floor here. Okay, scoot the camera over so we can see what we're doing. Good girl, Aria. This is Aria. This is my dog. She's a good girl. Okay, so I will have Tanya hold Aria, and we're going to collect from the jugular vein. So I'll have her get in position. That's okay, Aria. I know. Good girl. Okay, I'm going to actually move the camera over here. Good girl. I know. I'll zoom in a little bit here so we can see a little bit better. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shave a spot on Aria's neck. This is kind of an optional thing that you can do. Since I'm wearing gloves, I'm going to shave a little spot so we can feel a little bit better. So. Okay, this is a small little window. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my site with isopropyl alcohol. So we'll just kind of make sure we... And then with my 6 cc syringe, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw blood. And when I insert the needle, you want to make sure it's bevel up. So go ahead and take off my cap. Go ahead and I'm going to raise the vein by putting my hand at her thoracic inlet here. Good girl, Aria. Good girl, Aria. Good girl. Okay, once we collect our sample, I'm going to have my assistant compress the vein. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in our EDTA tube first, so it doesn't clot. And we're just going to let it take as much as it needs. Okay, then we're going to gently invert a few times. Set that aside. I'm then going to go ahead and put it in my serum separator tube here. Again, we're going to let it take as much as it needs here. Good girl. And last but not least, we're going to get just our plain red top or white top tube. We're going to make sure we label our tubes with our patient name and date. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pause and we're going to let these clot for 15 to 30 minutes, and then we will spin them down.